Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What is going on over there? I don't remember where I had this. I guess somewhere like right there. Alrighty. Gotta get this back up. There we go. Alrighty. How's everybody doing this morning? Monday morning. I have had quite the evening into the morning. It was not the best. Yeah, so we're just gonna go with that. This light seems a little off color. There we go. Oh, there it is. All right. There we go. Much better. Oh boy, what a evening morning. I had every intention to go to bed yesterday around like 10:30. Ended up watching YouTube and crap like that, and before you know it, it's 12:30. I get in bed 12:30, 12:45. Here comes my oldest, absolutely rolling down the hallway that his knees hurt. And this isn't the first time he's going through growing pains. And yeah, it sucks. He pretty much hooting and hollering until about, I mean, we ended up getting ice packs, gave him some Motrin. Motrin finally kicked in around, I don't know, it was probably like 1:30, and he finally fell back asleep around 1:45. And at this point, you know, I'm fully awake again, dealing with that. So tried to go back to sleep. Of course, he's on my side of the bed. I pretty much am on the edge of the bed. We have a California king, and I'm the one on the edge of the bed with just three people. He was like on my side and then like in the middle of my side. So it was not fun, but you know, when your kid's being that way, you gotta do your best to make them comfortable. And I don't know, I never really fell back asleep. I mean, I feel like I was in and out, but then like 5 o'clock rolls around, and I see the sun starting to peek through the shades, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna jump up, go into his room since no one's in there, and try to at least get an hour, hour and a half before the alarm goes off. So I do that, and about a half hour goes by, and Daddy, why'd you leave me? Can I lay in here with you? Yes, bud. Of course you can lay in here with me. So, yeah, that's been my evening / morning. So, didn't get the best of sleep, but we're gonna make the best of it. I rare, as of late, Coke Zero in the morning. I've been doing really well. Been drinking pretty much nothing but water. And sorry, my wife decided to go shopping on my computer, and one of the kids had Pop-Tarts while she was doing so. Keep finding like little remnants. But all right, let's join the Discord, see what's going on with them, and let's go. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
I see one of my favorite stocks of all time is trying to do something.
Yeah, right.
Right, I actually don't mind. I was talking about TYME time.
Oh God.
That was one of my bigger losses in my heyday.
Yeah, they got more.
That was the first one that I really remembered.
Yeah, Time and ASNS at the same time. Those were both Luke plays.
So you get for playing Luke plays.
Yeah. And it's funny because I got in way after him. I ended up holding this thing for days, if you remember, because that's when I was trying the old swing trading thing. And somehow he still ended up green on them, and I did not. And they just kept on, and they were just going up. Like I don't know how he got out green, but he did.
It never even came down.
It never even came down. He was green. I don't get it.
All right. 5 seconds.
5 seconds, and I got nothing really on
CLF
mine.
jumped up like 30, 40 cents.
What did?
CLF.
Of course.
Just jumped over 22.
Good morning, Thomas. Good luck, everybody.
And AOV dropped.
These are the first charts I'm looking at. Should be fun. I did look at Ride. I saw David had mentioned it. That time, man, I got in that thing. They were only having like a conference call or something. I got in at $3, and that thing. I even listened to the conference call. That thing just went up. There was like nothing on the conference call about anything. That thing just rode on up.
Is there anything moving people?
BTBT.
CLF there, not really. It is, but it is jumpy. Little jumps.
Yeah, BTBT. I'd be looking for that $50 test here. What's the float on this thing?
My alerts aren't setting today on my TOS, which is frustrating me.
Really like to see another pop here.
And make it worthwhile.
Go, go, go. So yeah, the only other thing I'm watching is time. I'd like to see that through too. BTBT, I want at least that 550 area. Need to get through this 520 area.
Ay, ay, ay.
I was like,
Did you finish my
the quadrant, yeah.
what?
I let the dogs out and I was sitting there waiting. I got bored. Sorry.
Give me Jag.
I don't know. I'm looking at CLF, but I just don't like the way it's moving. Watching BT.
BTBT?
Yeah, but I don't like the way it's
Yeah, it needs to
moving.
go.
It might, because now it's right over the 530, so it could be.
Order filled.
Went half size here because I really wanted through 550, but ran into a wall there.
You're in?
Yeah, I took a starter on it. I went half size just because I was expecting it to go through 50, but it ran into a wall there. Time ran right into the pre-market high. There's definitely someone sitting there at 35. Get through there, we'll probably get a flush down for the retest. That's what we're looking for. If not, we might get the actual push through 50. A little spready now. Nothing else. ATOS, we were hoping through that 450 as well.
There's your NAOB push, Jag.
Oh yeah, I see. Yeah.
Time with the double top. Thing can't make up its mind here.
Nice move, man.
Definitely
380
support
off that
here
back.
at that 35, 36 area. Oh, there it goes.
$3 to 380. Jeez.
I was really expecting a flush there through that area.
And that one with you, dude. And I took that one off because I don't like that it's holding there, so it's not.
Yeah, I just got out of BTBT because I didn't like it, but probably a
Now
mistake.
drops. No. That's not my trade, man.
Need the ass to come down here.
What's your language shooting streaming? Demonetized.
Order filled.
There you go. Yeah, out of BTBT there.
First fill.
I made $18.
Yeah, I made $4.
$. BTBT.
Yeah, just half size. Like I said, I wanted it to blow through 550, but it just ran into a wall, so I took a stab at it.
Honestly, for the price stock, I was a quarter size.
$.
but I was
SGRP
thinking that it jumped to
BTBT.
550 I could add. Oh, sorry,
Bless you.
guys. Dude, I swear, man, all the moving I've done, ugh, all the dust in the air.
CLF came down.
Is that it?
Yeah. Okay, basically the whole move back.
218 down to 164. That one got short.
Oh boy.
There's
There goes
LU.
BTBT. Looks like we made a good choice there.
I mean, just like
Back up to 550. I just didn't like the hold, dude. The fact that it was holding there and it was right over VWAP.
SGRP 2.50 plus PLS.
there's LU, but it's not really moving it like I'd like it to be. It's cool.
It's a wonderful start to the morning, guys. Naov tanked punk.
Order filled.
Yeah.
SGRP. Oh, it's halting. I took a starter. Wish I would have noticed it was about the halt. I would have got a better price.
Oops. Didn't realize it was halting. Coulda got 8 more cents LOL. Time
An 85
SS.
million float. I don't think I need that.
Out of curiosity, if someone could check the imbalance on SGRP.
310.
3.
Ooh,
$3.
wish I would have pulled that one up a second later.
Put him the CLF.
What? You're in it?
Yeah.
What do you
Really
end
needs
up?
to be below 45 though. I don't know what I'm gonna do here, man.
What do you end up? 158?
61. I'm almost debating on just taking it off.
Your shorts at 61?
Yeah.
288 is your imbalance now. Veg.
288?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta be careful. It's a lower float. Lost. We had 300k shares available, and now we only got 200.
Okay, I took the majority of it out there, dude, just because I don't know.
265 now. So you're facing right where you are.
Let's see if we can get the push down first
SGRP
one.
100k shares
Oh,
went
yeah,
pretty quick. Be mindful.
that quick. Alright, you know what, dude? I'm not gonna be greedy on this. I'm out. Done.
And I really wish I would have saw the halt price was there. I just saw the move. I was like, "Oh, this is a good move." I didn't even think to look for the at the halt price. It's my fault.
This will probably make me look dumb. I just didn't get in full size, so I don't want to hold it too long. Watching deck.
Nothing really right now.
Isn't like, I mean, it's not a big one, but I made a little bit on that.
Still at 265.
Cool bean. That's probably where it's gonna open.
Are you short that?
Yeah, I'm at 56.
What's
Like I said, I was SGRP. I was annoyed because if I would have noticed it was gonna halt, I would have put my order at the halt price, but I hit the bid. I actually hit it when I thought it said SGRP. I thought I hit it when it was in the 60s, but it jumped down on me.
Skirp? Skirp?
We got about 30 seconds. 20 seconds. Still there?
Yep.
Cool, yeah.
Yeah, this has been fun.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
What are you gonna watch, Shag?
Nothing.
Order filled.
Nothing at all.
Yeah, this is not very good.
Just glad I got some with BTBT.
I'm glad I got a little bit of CLF.
Oh, CLF is going back up.
Huh?
CLF is going back up.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, that honestly might reject off of that. 23. 118.
Pretty much NTB.
Oh shit! I didn't even realize the shares ran out.
Yeah, I smashed it for it to fail. The 3 was about to let go, and when he said that, I was like, "Oop, never mind."
Yeah, I just noticed that. That's not good.
3,000.
Yeah, I see it. Should have took the half there at least. What are we at? We're at 79.
Order filled.
Oh shit. Just realized that was from my full position. I'm glad I looked over. I thought I put 50 shares in there. Yeah, well, might have worked out.
All out SGRP $.
Really wanted more of a flush there, but I'll take it.
Riot could be interesting if you have any shares on Riot.
Look at MAT. If anybody just wants to be like, what the F, real quick.
Wow. That just seems to be going up.
Yeah. Up, down, up, down. Matt, MAT, yeah.
Is it just grinding higher?
Yeah.
Yeah, it hasn't had a red candle yet.
Is it up huge or no?
It's pretty good dollar. Yeah. I mean, it's real slow though.
Probably earnings.
Could be, yeah.
Mattel moves a lot on earnings.
Dang, look how quick that float rotated too.
Oof. Yeah, MAT, go, girl.
Float
I'm
also
short on
rotated
CLF again,
SGPR
but
as well.
we'll see how this goes.
SGRP asterisk.
Same, are you the same thing, 2160 like you were last?
No, I'm gonna add to this one possibly. We'll see. Alright. Minute 57.
Look at that stop hunt. You sounded very confident there, Devin.
Oh, it's like right below 57s. 56.56. Eat. It's rounded. I just added when I was saying that. Come on, flush here.
That SGRP might go a little crazy.
Go on it.
Float. No. Float rotated. No shares.
Slow build. Okay,
Float rotated X2. Easier trades out there.
okay, let's come back on that one. Please tell me to take steel off my own radar. What's this MAT doing? Where's the resistance on this chart?
File.
Hmm?
Maybe 2055, maybe start some.
Oh man. See that little double topish in that area, but
But like a 9 or something.
Time dollar on web.
it's like this.
And BTBT's on a good
Ay, man. Why I went back in that? I let myself get one trade on that. I literally let that take me slightly right on the day now. So it's up, now I'm down. What are you watching, Jag?
I'm just kind of bumping around. BTB going back up, so that could be interesting again if it gets over 550. Yeah.
Yeah, made some money on that one once. Maybe I can get some again.
I'd like to see it over 550 this time.
I'll look at the news on that just to see where that's going up.
What?
MAT.
Hell?
Yeah. They have a lot of positive news.
They got supposedly good earnings coming up. I think they may be making a deal with Netflix because Netflix is going to start selling toys for their shows.
Oh, really?
It's like little pops of good news everywhere.
XELA X.60 plus. Carrot.
Huh?
wanted.
I want to trade it because I have shorts.
Yeah, no, I wanted it to go back up over at least to 550. I thought it was going to do
Oh.
it.
Look at Naob, man. That thing got demolished.
Yep.
And that's over $1 move for a freaking $3 stock. That's crazy. Do you guys have shorts on Naob, Fesh?
No, I don't think so. I think I checked earlier. Yeah, no, we don't.
Gotcha, gotcha. What are you
Sideways
watching,
today.
Jay? TBT.
I like nothing.
Nothing. Such a good show. Of course, when you only had 5 stations, it was a good show.
Yeah.
Today could be one of those.
Oh, Mr. Powell is supposed to talk this week too.
He talks.
Supposedly with the endings.
He's always so good for the market, you know? Every time he talks, everybody just gets so excited to trade.
Better start shorting SPY now.
Oh, it's back actually up. It was down $1 before. Now it's just a little above even.
We do have shorts on tap, but
But it sucks because I made some money on smaller share size. Like I made about 35, 40 cents off of CLF.
Yeah.
Then I lost about 12 cents on CLF, but on bigger share size. So it took me red. Decided to size in on the second one for some reason. Bad move. Bad choices. Who's got him?
you're just now realizing that.
BTBT. Down at $4.24 yesterday. I really think about that.
What happened?
Jeez.
Holy cow. Who invited this guy?
What happened?
I figured I'd let Vish's streaming go for half an hour before I interrupted it.
Yeah, so you didn't get demonetized right out of the gate.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
don't
give
know
a
how
couple,
you
give a
got in
couple
there.
minutes.
How'd you even get in this room? Who are you?
I see
No
Thomas
Jews
got
allowed.
into the
Did you read the sign?
Just read the sign.
Wow. Wow. All right, Vash, I'm just letting you know I didn't start this one. This was all Devin.
I heard it.
That
That wasn't me.
Steve, I will allow you to finish it.
I will.
I'll wait till 11:30.
I'll put the quarter in for you.
I can hold the
You're not
grudge
allowed
like
to
the
make
best
fun
of
of
them.
my race.
I can hold a grudge long enough.
It's not a race, man. It's a religion. You'll learn one day.
You're gonna make fun of my religion?
I am self-hating. What's going
You can't
on,
make fun
boys?
of your own kind.
You can't make fun of my kind. I'll make fun of my own kind.
I love your kind.
I know you do. We're gonna be brothers. Dude.
I know, man. You're my future brother-in-law.
Right. Right. You make the news to Pops yet? Pay for another wedding?
I didn't tell him.
All right.
You know, Jake.
Watch the cow start to come back.
Any of you guys play Time or NAOV?
No.
It's looking juicy.
I love it.
Not XP if you have the shorts.
Nope.
Which one, Jag?
NRXP.
Down $1.50. Now it's down more. Why is it going down? Why'd it go up?
It was going up. If you're looking at the front 50, now it's going down.
What happened?
You waited too long. That's what happened.
Ah, damn it. This whole driving and texting thing is really getting in the way. I need these self-driving cars so I can...
Shoot the money bags here. Buy a Steve a Tesla.
Yes, sir. Where do you want it delivered?
I need
You want the plaid?
my
He
address.
needs a Tesla truck. Can you contact Elon and let him know he needs to make one for him?
Not giving you my address.
I
You want me to scare you real quick and just text you your address?
I didn't say that I'm not giving you. I said you know my address.
Oh, gotcha. It cut out.
I know you're. I'm not worried about it.
No, I would have to go look it up, but if I really wanted to, I'd find your address pretty quick.
It's not that difficult.
Public information is not too hard to come by, especially when you know somebody's name.
Yeah,
And his company.
not that difficult.
Yeah, and your company. The company actually probably wouldn't help, to be honest. Well, it could. If it's an LLC and you registered it to your house, it'd be pretty easy. Sorry, I'm giving away my tips.
Considering I don't have a storefront, so I can't register to your address.
I mean, you could. It'd be illegal, but...
You could do it if you wanted.
I could. Yeah, but tell Musk I don't need the bulletproof windshield, so don't throw a big stone at it.
I don't want to accidentally... I don't want my my plastic hanger to accidentally hit it and break my window.
Oh my God. Forget the plastic hanger. How about just a bag of laundry?
Hey, by the way, IGC was at $1.75 this morning.
I saw. Nice call there, buddy.
It's back. It's actually trying to run right now, though. It's up at 215.
Yeah, those extra 30 cents wouldn't have done much for me. I enjoyed the day with my kids in the water much more. A couple $100.
Good stuff.
Looky weird. I don't know what to do, boys. This is too early to not know what to do.
What else we got?
I wanna know what to watch, man. I wanna know what to watch.
The new setup in the new house.
What's up?
How's the new setup in the new house? So, as yet,
Am I what yet?
are you organized?
Yeah, pretty much. A few little things we gotta do, but
How was the move on
Solid.
Saturday? How was the move on Saturday with their tier?
it was just a lot, man. It was freaking. I mean, this was literally probably the worst week to move, but got it done, dude.
Why?
It was
'Cause it's so
so
hot?
freaking humid. It was unbelievable, and it's hot, so it's hot and humid.
Saturday was really nice here. Sunday, yesterday sucked. It was like 2 different days. It was low 80s with a breeze on Saturday, and then Sunday it was 96 with like high humidity.
Yeah, totally. And then it rained.
Oh, you got rain? Dude, we haven't had rain in a couple weeks.
It rained for like 5 minutes.
I moved,
got
it was
ra-
like
I got-
105 with 50% humidity, and today it's gonna be 90 degrees, and I'm like, what the
ORMP
hell?
16.20.
What?
Morning,
It's
Sammy.
hot in Nevada in July? No.
But,
BTBT.
but 90 ain't bad. Today's
BTBT.
nice.
What was that, Jay?
BTBT.
You get in it?
BTBT?
No, I went over 550. Thought it was gonna
The
go.
news? The news on that piece of crap?
BTBT back up.
Got a room to $33. Be careful.
Yeah, it does. Look at that move it made in December to January. That's crazy.
They didn't warn you. They just
I don't think I would be in at that point.
Yeah, I'm not in.
No, I just meant at $33.
Well, that'd be a good place to short it, though.
Oh yeah, that is true.
I want to put your order in now in case it runs on this candle. Get the spike.
Anybody get in that?
BTBT?
Got a little bit of this.
BTBT?
No.
Yeah, I didn't get in.
Good.
Devin got in this?
That's
Well, for what? The fake out breakout?
Yep.
What?
He's bored.
What do you mean? This is a textbook Devin trade. This is what he does.
Pick up Rick, guys.
Oh yeah, I see him trading these all the time.
What are you in at?
47.
Right here. Hold
I
on.
took some out.
Right here.
Pretty much right here, yeah.
Bless you.
Thank
Push
you.
it. There it goes.
Head off, but I couldn't get it far enough away.
Alright, I peeled off half my share stats.
$2,000 left.
Yeah. Went in 4K on this one.
Yeah, well, you know, it's your trade. This is what you do.
Dang, SGRP. That's dangerous, man.
Yeah, it went back up, didn't it?
Yeah, it's at the highs again.
SGRP, please be careful. Mind of its own now.
This is such a tricky one because I like the rejection off the highs, but then I don't like that it's holding up right here under the highs. I don't want to see the quick flash.
ARPO up. X.40s PLS.
There it goes. Oh, shit.
Jeez, SGRP.
You guys have shares again or no?
No, we haven't had shares since they ran out. They were coming in and out here and there for a little bit, but since then, it's yeah, no. I got a big feeling that a lot of gurus are gonna be not posting today and or coming out of the woodwork saying they were long this and all that bullshit. This is one of those stocks where it's so choppy back and forth, but then just
Yeah.
it's gonna end up burning both sides.
Flush this stuff. Flush this stuff.
Yeah, DT, we've had rain, like we've had storms come through, but like the last three that have come through have all missed us. We haven't got any rain at all for at least 2 weeks now.
That's crazy. We've gotten some rain unless no rain expected
Ah, that
next
took
week.
it all off, man. Back to green.
I think it's supposed to be hot and horrible this week.
Yeah, my grass is not too happy.
Oh no.
I mean, I don't really care about the grass at this point. It needs to be completely renovated for the most part, but not gonna lie, I've already started thinking I might have. I don't know. We'll see. I started thinking I might have bit off more than I can chew at this yard. It's gonna be a lot of work.
Ash, you got sad grass?
Yes, I do. It's very sad at the moment. It's very brown.
It's still very green here.
Yeah, we get rain like every other day.
I'm good friends with the HOA president, and he takes care of his grass too. Like we're kind of on the same level with that. Like that's kind of what a lot of our conversations are based around. And he was telling me the other day, like how he keeps his grass so green, like some of the stuff he applies and stuff. And I was like, well, how much is your water bill? And he was like, you don't want to know. And then he ended up telling me, but like he was like before irrigation, it was about like 150 to 200 quarterly, and he was like the last one I got was $1,200.
$1,200 for water?
Yeah. It's like the grass ain't worth that much to me.
You better dig a well.
I was like, yeah, I'm all right. I'm not gonna be doing all that here.
Get
Yeah,
a
round
life.
pass good.
Get
That's
a hobby. Good lord.
I mean, granted, that is a hobby, you know, to defend them a little bit, but it's not worth
Get a
that.
better hobby.
That's $4,800 a year for a water. Like, no, I'm good.
DI is trying to run off the bottom.
What is?
Hello. Did
We
we
don't
do the
have
tablecloth?
shorts on it. DI.
Oh, yeah, I
DD.
saw. Yep.
They don't need to be folded. It's in a bag.
Oh, I was hoping
I'll put 'em right
BTBT
in.
was just gonna get its flush. That didn't
Yeah,
happen.
perfect.
Going back up now.
So that you can get back to the enough.
Fall out of it. Jeez, I don't know what to watch, man.
I'm watching ORMP, but it's grindy.
Dump all right in. Okay. Yeah, that's no problem. Perfect. Thank you so much.
So much. Hi.
I can take it for you.
Alright.
Yeah, that's no problem.
Pick it up, man. Alright, I gotta pee. Be back.
Watching AMC, I'm just not 100% sure.
Hi, my name's Devin. I gotta pee. Be right back.
ORM, BTBT again is over 550s.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Thank
AMC,
you so
man, it's
much.
such a big company.
You too.
This BTBT just needs to go. Not a huge fan of the daily there.
No. I'd like to extend a bit more. But Tim, that monitor on your right hand, lower right hand of your screen, is that up to your shorts that you have for each of those stocks?
Yeah, that's the monitor that I have that shows me what we have shorts on and stuff, yeah. I thought you were talking about like my monitor on my desk. I'm like, how can you see my desk right now?
I thought the same thing. I was like, wait a minute. I pulled up your stream. I was like, there's nothing. What?
Like, did my webcam fall or something? Like, what's going on here?
Okay, where's your hand?
Hey, Oliver. Yeah, it is a little choppy this morning.
He is under your desk, right?
Well, today's the day I'm dying, by the way.
You're dying today?
Yeah,
Alright.
me and the wife are getting the first dose.
Turning into a zombie.
Watch your phone's gonna work faster now.
I'm really excited to put quarters on my forehead.
Oh yeah. Still look at magnetic. Oh, that lady.
Yeah, I'm watching it.
10 cents.
Yeah, need a lot more than that. I did have a line right there at 570 off the hourly, but that's not enough extension. I would need the next one, which is up at 620. Or actually, it's at 6.
It's a fib line right there, buddy.
At 570?
573.
Whoa, whoa, it hit it exact? What?
What did?
What? No, don't even get Devin involved in this conversation.
It did. It hit the 127.
Exactly. Yo, Devin. Fucking holy grail, baby.
Oh, it's been hitting the lines all day. It hit the 50.
What suck you talking about?
BTBT still hanging around.
Oh. Did they go up more?
Yep.
Yeah.
Guess what was at 574?
The blind.
A fib line.
It's also at the top of its linear regression channel.
The MACD's crossing over right now. There it goes.
Everybody's got fib lines on this thing, but let's see, if I do a fib line, I would do it from here to here to here. Have it over 67 was one. It's over that. Next one was 605.
Mine's 603 is the next one.
Okay, close enough.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
It's areas. It's not exact to me. I just kind of throw them on. I used to try to be like so precise with them. I was like, that's stupid. It's areas. It's not.
I was about to get in on the 590 pop there. I didn't get it though. Some bitch.
Long or short?
Short.
Okay.
I thought it got the 589. I thought it was going to pop through 590 and try 6, and I was going to get in, but it just said nope. I felt it doing it. I almost got in anyway, but I don't know. I wanted a little bit cleaner of a move.
You know what, guys?
Love it to pop up through 6 here.
I would
Beautiful.
too.
Think of tablecloths? This
Nope.
14.56?
Pop that 6.
That
Come
way?
on, go.
Struggling.
I can't hear.
One big push. Come on, push up.
Never even heard of COE before.
What's the float on this silly thing?
38.
38.
38 mil, huh?
BTBT.
Yeah.
That's what I see.
I hit
15 or 50?
50?
15. 15.
I got it between 39 and 45. Only one person does under 15, and that's the Wall Street.
Yeah,
one. Whatever.
yeah, just check that too, yeah. Anytime I hear a discrepancy, I go right to float checker.
I keep that up all the time. That's where I check my floats now.
Yeah, it's a good spot because you get the broad spectrum.
Yeah, kind of gives you an idea. I'm guessing it's
Okay.
over 30.
Yeah,
Yeah.
looking for assets. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thing won't push, huh?
That's why it's been doing this since 550. Just kind of grinding. That's why I was hesitant to hit the button because I really wanted that like FOMO pop, but I just couldn't get it.
Pop.
Is anyone actually in SGRP? If not, I can take it down, LOL. giving it the evil eye to die for a while now.
Okay, I just got out of that.
Sad face. Why couldn't it just give me my $6? I didn't even want 6. I just wanted it to pop through 590. Jag's like, shut up!
Yeah, I didn't say nothing. I was like,
You calling trading AMC? Yeah, I just took a stab. Small shares. Nice work, Jack.
thank you.
Took it when no one else did.
Actually, somebody else did, and I got out a
Yes,
little
that
lower than
means
him.
you are LOL.
Because I just took it off.
Sure, gotta
Your
show
entry
them.
was better- your entry was better than mine too.
Not
'Cause I got in early.
Oh, did you? I got it on the way down, so we might have a similar entry, to be honest. But
Yeah, my average was 578.
mine was over that. Mine was 582. Ha ha.
Ain't better than you. I can
That's
read
actually
Jack's.
hurt. I was only in 300 shares. I was kind of hoping it was going to go over 6 and I could add to it, but it didn't do that.
I like your chart better, Jack. I can read it. Well, I can easily read it.
Yeah.
Whatever. I'm not taking time to freaking mess with my charts anymore. Get over it. Zoom in. Zoom in, bitches.
Can't zoom in far enough.
Open it up and it's fine. If you open it up, you can read that.
Hey, I just zoomed in and I see a picture of Anthony.
Was he naked?
Yeah.
Anthony, get back into the table. They can see you.
I guess based off your voice, he's not there anymore.
He left on Friday.
Ooh, a day early.
Yeah, he didn't even leave Saturday.
How bad
Saturday
did
morning
he
he
look?
woke up in.
Did you wake up and he was gone? With a big, was there a note?
No, he left.
Said, fuck
Friday
you,
after.
Devin.
He was like, I'm just gonna go tonight so I can sleep in tomorrow. I'm like, that's probably a good idea.
He had that like snotty girl like face on it. Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
That's probably a good idea, Anthony. I was nice. I even gave him my old end tables or my nightstands. He was like, "Are you using those?" And I'm like, "You know what? You can have."
You're such a nice guy.
Now get the F out.
Have my nightstands. Woohoo!
SGRP is about to halt down. That was a nice little move. Fake out. Buy the dip.
I think I should have held on to that freaking BTBT. This might be
Buy the dip.
backside.
Could be. Could be.
Hard to predict it here, dude. But now it's underneath that other fib line. I want to take it again.
Told you it was going to get everybody. Got all the shorts on the way up. Now it's getting all the longs. This is not bouncing at all. SGRP just had a huge drop.
That one like the $2 or something, or $3 or
It went all the way up to 4 almost.
On way.
comfortable.
It dropped to under 3.
Yeah, and then it just dropped all 80 cents out of nowhere. 90 cents actually.
I'm back in this BTBT, but I'm not giving it a lot of room here. This is right or right out.
Right on, right on.
570 is telling us I'm back in.
THMO trying a little something something. Range on it's kind of crap.
You little bee.
THMO up. Carat X.75 would be about right, Imo. Carat. Was hoping it happened right there.
Dump through view at. Dump through view at.
You back in BTBT?
Yeah.
ARPO out the lunch money.
I'm out there.
Nice.
Good lord, I've been playing this thing only to the downside. It's gonna unlike me.
Be right back. How many scalping trades do you take? Let's see, Doge? No. I don't do crypto. I'm pretty much a scalper for the most part. The only reason I'll get in something that isn't a scalp is because it goes against me and I'll scale into it.
Yep.
Sucks.
You all out of that? Assume no.
No, I'm selling it.
Your average is in the 60s, right?
Yeah, 63.
You took some off though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Few at.
I was gonna say.
Waiting for the flush, man.
I don't think it's totally dead yet.
It isn't yet, but I think it might be on the way. Just needs to break through that like 46 level. I pulled under there. 48.
Oh, whoops. Guess I'm shorted now too.
Are you?
Yeah. 560.
Go, keep it under 60. Come on.
Coxoxo Noxoxo Kutso. X bigger co, closer to 7 interested if fast.
Oh. Did you get in long?
BTBT Grindy, thinking 6.50 plus.
It's hoping for the breakdown, just didn't happen. Gave a little bit back on the last half. I might be watching this one, dude. This is not giving me warm and fuzzies. What are you watching, Jaggy?
BTBT.
TLF. Down one, dude. Another boring day, huh?
Yep. At least I got 2 trades.
Yeah.
Yep, same here. 2 trades.
ORMP out all.
Oof. Careful on that one, GT. Might double top here then.
I'm out of it.
Oh, you got out of it?
Yeah, I didn't want to be in it in the first place.
It was an accidental oopsie daisy.
Yeah, it was on my live account instead of my paper account.
Fun.
It's alright.
Making those old school Timothy mistakes.
True that.
Well, I changed it over to my live account because I actually wanted to trade it, just not right there.
Gotcha. Remember when Tim used to do that like almost twice a week or so?
And then I was setting up an order. Somehow it thought.
You know how I stopped doing it? I just stopped trading on my demo account.
Yeah, pretty much.
Because then you don't ever think about it.
Yeah, I will soon. I'm still trying to find.
I'm not saying you should. I'm just saying that's how I fix it.
I know. I'm getting closer every day. I'm getting. Every day I see more and more plays. So.
All I can say for some inspiration is go back and watch the very beginning of my YouTube channel. You don't even have to watch. You don't even have to watch the videos. Just look at the thumbnails. Just look at how many days where I had just one trade, because that was just all I could see.
Yeah, your channel comes up a lot. I was watching one where you didn't even have the green screen in the background when you were in the basement.
My mom's basement?
Yeah, you could actually see your mom's basement. you didn't say "What's up, traders." You said something else, and I was trying to remember what it is to say it this morning.
Blue chips.
Yeah, blue chips. What's up, blue chips? Or something.
That couldn't have been her basement, I don't think. Then that was forever ago.
Oh no, it was a basement, I think.
But I mean, I haven't been in her basement in forever. Like I don't, there was no, I don't ever remember. I don't know. I'd have to look.
I don't know. I saw it. It looked like it had.
Go to your history. I want to see it.
Oh god.
Go find it.
Not yeah. Go find it.
Do you know how much
Don't do
YouTube
that.
I
Don't
watch
listen to him.
and- I know. I don't have to fucking listen to him.
You go find it now.
It's getting rowdy in here.
You aren't his bish.
Tell me, like,
DT's that kind of guy, man. He needs to know. He needs direction.
yeah, sure. I'm the exact opposite. My brother needs direction. That's what I love about my parents. Is my brother needs direction and I don't. The more you tell me to do it, the more I won't. Just ask me once or twice, I'll gladly do it. But if you keep
All right, DT. You don't have to go find it.
Guilt doesn't work.
Now go find it.
This is the reverse. The reverse psychology doesn't work.
No, 100% no.
I mean, it was pretty obvious that I was doing that. So.
My brother does that shit all the time. The problem is I watch so many YouTube.
Yeah, I'm the same way. I say the same. I'm like, oh yeah, let me go find it, and I'm like scrolling through like weeks of content. You should be able to search your history though. Like up top, you should be able to search your history. You can just type my name in, probably.
I would search.
I think you can just search the channel, like the channel name. I think. I don't know. I haven't tried that before, but it would be nice if you could.
Steered clear due to shares. Nice one.
Come on, Jag. You take BTBT?
No, I wanted 6.
It doesn't look like it searched your history. Well, yeah, it did. What?
I'm just genuinely curious where I was. I mean, obviously, I would say I'll obviously know once I see it, but.
You were in hell.
I bit one of those Facebook ads. What is it? The T-shirt, one of those T-shirt ones. The fresh. Let me see. True Classic. True Classic tees. Now, keep in mind, I didn't like just see it on Facebook and then just be like, "All right, you got me," like and buy it. Like I've been looking to get some T-shirts for a while now, like ones that I feel, because like the ones that I get are like, you know, Walmart shirts. They're really comfortable, but their fit is absolutely horrible. Like the one I have on now is actually not bad, but I don't, you know, I don't really care about clothes that much, but like my upper body and my arms, I'm like, you know, not, I guess I don't really know, but I'm like not bad looking there. But then my stomach, you know, like I have a big stomach because I'm fat. So it's like I've been looking for a shirt that kind of complements that.
You're not fat, you're chunky.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
You need a dad bod shirt, is what you're saying.
Well, yeah, and that's kind of like this True Classic, and I forget the other one that I was doing the research on. What was it? Hold on. Let me go check my YouTube history. But that's what I'm saying. Like I did all the research on them, and apparently this other company is just like they're literally ripping tags off of other shirts and then just sending them back out. Because they have like the guy that I was watching a review, he literally found the same tags like the rip away tags, and they just put their brand on it, and I was like, ooh. Fresh and clean was the other one. So those are like the two big ones, and they're supposed to be the same thing, like where they kind of emphasize your upper body, and then like they kind of expand out just a little bit to kind of keep it loose on your gut. But the difference is the shirt itself. Like the True Classic, they make their own shirts, where it seems like Fresh and Clean, they do not.
What's up, Blue Chips?
Found it. Yes.
I found a one. I don't know if it was about
well, yeah, I used to
withdrawal
say that.
from CMake.
Hey, what's up, Blue Chips? I really liked that for a while, because it was such a good, like, you know how like all the top, it was me trying to be a streamer essentially, because like all the top streamers, they like give their people names, like what's his face, who's that, the fighter, Logan Paul, he calls him like Logang or whatever. Like there's always, they all have those little catchy things, and I don't know, I just thought Blue Chips was good, because you know, if you're a blue chip, that means you're quality. But yeah, I don't know, I got tired of saying it.
Another view here.
What's up, Blue Chips? All this bad stuff. So,
Is this not the video you were talking about?
I think it was, because I know I watched a little bit of it. I had clicked on your CMake tag.
Hit the like button.
don't hit the like button.
Every time you're going through one of these videos. Hey, he said if I just ask once or twice, he'll do it.
I hit the down.
That's fine too. Hey, any publicity is good publicity.
Yeah, it's the same. See, there's two different backgrounds in those videos.
No, it's not. The camera's just turned.
Oh.
Yeah, because look at the curtain behind me. It's the same curtain. That's literally the same curtain.
The first one about the withdrawal is the one that I clicked on.
Yeah, I can see how that looks like the basement, but that was actually our main floor, and then it was just to go upstairs. Like that was literally all we had in that house. It's like right behind my head in the CMake withdrawal. That was our front door. It's a really small house. It was only 1,000 square feet.
It just looked like a basement, sort of.
Yeah, no, yeah. When you see the stairs over there like that, yeah, I totally get it.
February 24th.
But then I should have thought, why would you have that big of a window in a basement?
Again, I chose my name instead of sending
It could be a walkout.
A small window.
It could be a walkout.
days, but it's not 2 business days. So I figured if I just start
What are you watching,
Monday
Jake?
morning and we get this thing sent off.
BTBT.
It is pretty crazy because, sorry, good. I didn't mean to cut you off.
Oh, that's it. That's all I had.
Yeah. I'll say like it really does, like if I told you that was a basement and you were watching the video, like there'd be really no reason for you not to think it's a basement. Interesting.
It was just my first thought, because you said you were in your mom's basement. So.
Yeah. No, my mom's basement was unfinished. There's a couple live streams and stuff that I did where I forgot to put the green screen up right away, and then I saw it when I went live, and I was like, oh. So like I mean, there are, like, I wasn't necessarily trying to hide it. It was just I figured no one would want to look at that. So that was the only reason I put the green screen up. Dang, look at this easy go, easy go.
Do you have shorts on?
Just we're not many.
I can't even locate.
Dude, you could have been BDT, basement day trader.
It's halting.
Quick scalp on IPA.
I'm gonna watch for out of the halt. I'm not gonna take it into the halt.
Easy Geo Hall. Thought about it, but we'll watch it coming out.
What's that?
409 is the inbounds now. It was
Yeah.
440.
The way it was trading, it wasn't
KTV.
crazy.
38
Until then,
Be
even
eating up
that's only
shares.
15 cents really. Not like Gamble.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. Like, it wasn't a crazy move to where I think it would gap down. Like, it was kind of building up, and then it just halted. So I think there's good possibility that that would gap up. At least that was kind of my read on it. But I do think it's going to run out of shares too, which is the other reason I didn't want to get in, because if it does gap up and I can't even add to it, then that's no bueno. And it's already 3/4 of the way rotated as well.
Yeah.
Purple chips. Be purple chips? What's a purple chip? Are there purple chip stocks? Hey, what's up, blue chips?
28K. I am only assuming it takes M off the board as people put orders out. Makes no sense otherwise unless they are catching up.
My lord.
There is a delay. That would make more sense.
Looks like Easy Go might be out of shares before it even unhalts. Down below 10,000 now.
So people are buying in right now?
No, I think it's just delayed, like Brian said. That was kind of my thought process, is I think it, like, it is more up to date than DOS, but I think it's still delayed.
Yeah.
So, like, while it's halted, I think that's just IB's software catching up. Which is kind of scary, because, like, if you are trading while it's running out, like, what if it still says there's shares, but there's not, kind of thing.
Yeah. Unless that's people putting orders out. So that
Well,
people-
that's what I said, but I don't know. I don't know.
It's at 410 now. Not that it probably is going to matter because there's a bunch of shares left for you.
Yeah, I mean, they're still going down now. There's only 4,000 left. Definitely not going to trade it there.
Why don't you just buy 4,000 shares and we can see how accurate it is?
Well, now there's only 2,800 shares. And I can't. It's halted. Now there's only 1,300.
It's 2,800 on the street.
It's going to be NTB here in a second. And it's about to open. And now they're gone.
And they're
And NTB.
What's the blue arrow? I forget.
Blue arrow?
Or is that just you doing stuff?
I don't know what blue arrow you're talking about.
Where you it says SSR, sometimes there'll be a blue line with an up tick on it. It looks like the end of an arrow.
Oh, over there. It says click to open advanced quote details. I can click don't show again, so let me click that.
Oh, okay, yeah, see, there's a blue arrow. Yeah. I get you.
421, 425 is going to open. It's open any second.
KNDIX.70s and higher interested.
Should have held BT.
Did you get in that, Devin?
Yeesh.
Yeah, a minute.
Glad I didn't start it.
What's your average?
68.
I thought about it.
Were you an easy GOB?
I was waiting for that little pop.
Ouchie.
Oh, the fake halt. The fake halt.
Uh-oh.
All of a sudden, locates.
Keep saying that
All of a
you'll
sudden you
eventually
have
hit the
locate.
back end, right?
Yeah.
Wow, that thing didn't dump. It's actually trying to hold up.
Locate.
Now the halt's up at 5.
Easy go. And they're gone.
It's
It's $36. 400 shares.
I took it off, dude. Probably gonna dump from here down to like 520, but this thing has been kind of crazy for me.
Yep.
Take the win. Staying green. Staying green. I think that's the goal for these type of markets, man. Just stay green.
All markets.
I was gonna say.
I mean, no, but especially this market where it's harder to get green and harder to stay green.
I'm with you, man.
And
This thing's gonna
sometimes it's
fly.
Sometimes it's like stealing candy from a baby, you know? It's just like, make money, make money, make money. We ain't in that market.
Oh, I have locates again. Keeps flashing in and out.
It's gonna make me look dumb right here and dump to 520, watch it. 520 was my actual target, but just don't have the patience in this market, dude. What are you watching, Jaggalicious?
Nothing really. Still watching kind of BT, but it's off to the side now.
I didn't even add to it when it ran against me this time a little bit, just because I'm like, last time I did that, it didn't serve me well. I think I'll just let it ride. It looked like backhand, dude, you know, after it made that double top, kinda.
Yep.
I was like, that looks like the backhand to me. That's a pretty darn clear double top. About as clear as you can get. Oh man, slow market. Short easy go, Vesh?
Couldn't. You know, I could have into the halt, but like I had said, I told you the reason I didn't into the halt, so I'm glad I didn't. My read was correct. Like into the halt, there was still no like FOMO. It just kind of built its way into it.
Chilled there.
Yeah, well, not that it chilled, but like there was no FOMO to the halt. It was just like grind into the halt. So I was thinking it could do exactly what it's doing now out of the halt. Now I was gonna trade it if I could out of the halt, but couldn't.
Oh man. Sleepy boy. Freaking storm kept me up so much last night. Yeah, I'm not used to the walls shaking from thunder and
I sleep through all the storms. That's
house kept lighting up with the lightning. I was like, jeez.
Hey Devin, how come I keep seeing your winners but not the losers you talk about?
he never posts his losers.
Me? Thought I just posted half a loser on BTBT. I don't remember what else I lost on.
Well, you were red to start the day, and we never saw any of
I was green
those.
to start the day, and then I went red, but what did I go?
That was on an AO,
You don't.
wasn't it?
You don't have to show us. I was.
It was CLF,
Oh, yep.
then trading. It was CLF. Hold on, I'll post it.
I was just being funny. Which I know you know.
I know.
I was calling you a guru.
Were you playing Thunder in the background in your stream on Friday?
I'm playing it right now.
No, I
Yeah, I do. It's my little attempt at meditation. Not meditation, but like helps keep me calm. Oh, easy go halted down.
There's my red trade, the second one. And then I posted the red one on BTB or BTBT. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that one looks like it might have hurt a little bit.
Wasn't too bad. I just went red. Went from being up $50 to being down $50.
I didn't mean like monetary value.
Yeah. No, it sucked. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just the trade that never worked.
Yep. I started small. I had it been kind of big at the top, and when it just didn't seem to want to go down there, I was just like, screw it. I gave up like 13 cents on that trade actually, but because of that last ad, but it was just a bigger size. But would have held it, would have been green.
No.
I do love that how every trade almost ends up like that. Like normally when you do cut a trade, if you would have held it, I mean 9 times out of 10 I think I'd end up green. 9 times out of 10. But that one time is the time I could screw you.
Yeah.
But you gotta just take your licking sometimes.
That's what she said.
Hey.
She likes to take her lickings. It's like, let me have more lickings, please.
Lickety split.
Lickety split. What are we watching, people?
Nothing.
Watching BTBT bounce off its fibs.
Dude, I'm like today fighting to be small green. Bugs. Nowhere near goal. That's been the last week, dude. I mean, I had one day last week where I was over goal. One day. Market just isn't giving me love.
It hates you.
I'm just happy I've been able to stay green.
Oh, that had been perfect. Oh, pains me.
Yep. I know the feelings.
I don't care if it's big green, just keep me green. Gotta wait for the market to flip around, dude. That day will come where you get that trade and it just works, you know?
Yep.
The thing, we're just not getting trades that just work.
Oh, they're all bad.
Getting trades that go against you, there's no continuation, they don't go up right, they don't go down right. Frustrating market. I mean, man, it's gonna be what I even missed. Matt is just hanging out. BTBT is gonna come down. That's gonna be the one that actually does drop.
At this point, I don't want to touch it.
I've taken it too many times, dude. Honestly, I feel like I've overtraded that. It really isn't giving huge moves. If I would have just erased my CLF trade, I'd be up pretty decent. I'm gonna take CLF off my charts. That's what I'm gonna do. Bye bye CLF. Never listen to you again. Seriously, I don't have a great win rate on that, dude. Like, it's 50-50 at best, you know?
And normally the moves aren't that good.
They're not too good. It just does move daily, so I keep it on watch because it does 60-70 cents every single day. And I think, you know, well, I know that thing's gonna do something. When I don't have anything else to watch, I just keep it up, and lately I've had nothing to watch every day.
Yeah.
Jesus.
That easy go is a tough one. Halted down and still barely got below the previous halt.
I have no desire to long that.
No, didn't even break
I don't
four.
have shorts.
You know the one that you should be looking to long, honestly? Like looking for a possible play is SGRP. That up over, what is this, 330, 330, what is this, 330?
$3 stocks are just not my favorite.
Yeah, but this one might end up at like $10.
You think so?
It's like 333. Oh yeah, dude, it's rotated its float over 10 times. No one really has borrows. If it gets back above that 333 area, I think you can see what I'm looking at. And then it shoots up through that 350, and then if it goes high of day, hell yeah, this thing could go.
So you could ropey red.
The only problem is it is a $3 stock, so it'll be one of those halt fest type stocks.
Yeah, you know how much I love those.
No. But this is like, I see a very classic long setup forming here. Higher lows. It's got that resistance there, 333. VWAP's here though, if it gets through VWAP.
Dude, I
Yeah.
get what you're saying, bro. I get what you're saying. It's just...
Right now it's kind of like a deformed right shoulder of a Head and Shoulders though.
Yeah. Market's been fun. The fact that I'm out where I'm at, and it's 8 o'clock, tells me maybe I should stop. I always feel like when I push it on these days, I just don't do well. Like, if the busiest time of the day wasn't great, why would I expect the afternoon to be amazing?
True. But shit, never know.
You never know, something could freaking rip and run. Definitely in a crappy market. Like live streaming, crappy market. Dude, I didn't have one stock that on the daily chart looked good to me today. Not one.
Wow.
I mean, that's a bad sign. Because those are my moves, honestly, when I find something gapping up above resistance or down below support. Those are my moves. Today I didn't have one to look at.
Easy goes to give it all back. It's gonna take a while.
You crazy dog. Why are you wet? Is it raining? Is it raining now? You're soaking wet, so it must be raining. And Arthur, you're dry. Why is she wet and you're dry? That's weird.
You peed on her.
Did you pee on her? Somebody go pee on her?
My dog
Peed
pee
all
on
over
the
her.
neighbor's dog all the time. I laugh.
Oh, that happened when Arthur was a little puppy. We went to the dog park and this big dog came up and just pissed on him. I was like ready to freaking kill him. Get away from my baby. That big mean dog, now you're probably bigger than him. What are you doing, Josette? Dogs are cray cray.
IPA need 10, stalking. Asterisk near. AMC near 42, stalking.
Nap's going crazy. Not really. It's
Going crazy. Not really. Workhorse is doing something.
yeah. We don't have shorts on it.
My lunch.
You guys are about to see my white leg.
WKHS
This is what I gotta. This is what I'm dealing with today.
Twelve-ish interested.
Here's my life today. 2 freaking dogs.
And you got no pants on. You dirty dog.
I have
In the
shorts on,
garage.
they're just not down.
You got a jar of peanut butter?
I do. That's why they're both in my lap.
They're both
Yeah, hungry puppy.
Why are your dogs so happy?
You should have seen my face. I have shorts on. I was gonna put pants on this morning, but I was like, fuck, I'll just wear the short that I slept in.
Is this your face?
That's exactly what it was like. Yeah! That's the ticket! Isn't that weird that that's brother and sister? I feel like they don't look that much alike, but then they kind of do.
I think they look very much alike.
Yeah.
Josette has different, Arthur has a different hair than Josette. She got more of the Catahoula. And Arthur got more of the poodle.
Easy going?
Josette looks like a huge ass Muppet.
Like the sticker stuff? Or is that what easy go? Oh, easy go.
Fish tanks.
Easy
You have
go,
three
easy
fish
gone.
tanks in your room, Jag?
Yes.
Why do you have 3 fish tanks in your room?
Why not?
They got a lot of fish.
I was actually confused though. Was that a new
That
tank?
was the best reply to that ever.
What, Tim?
Was that a new tank that you showed us a picture of?
No, they're not new. I mean, they're fairly newly set up.
How come you don't have anything in them?
They're
Like-
still good. Oh, decoration-wise?
Yeah, like gravel and stuff like that.
Well, the ones on the bottom, with the discus, with the bigger round fish, those I rescued, so they were sick. So I'm treating them.
Oh, okay. It's a treatment tank.
Then the angels, I bought them little and I'm growing them out, so it's easier to so I overfeed them every day and I change water every day, so it's easier to do that, keep it clean.
Not have a bunch of crap in there.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, you've seen how he takes care of the kids. What do you think he's gonna do with fish?
He just throws
You
some
change
fish in
you
there.
change the full tank?
No, I change about 75% a day.
Okay. I was gonna say the acclimation would probably not be very good. I used to be into that, so
Yeah, and I have well water, so I don't have to. My water's perfect for them, so I don't have to.
oh
do
yeah.
anything.
Yeah,
Except adjust
that's true.
temperature. So I don't have to worry about chlorine or any chemicals.
Right, yeah.
I have a fish tank in my office. I've actually been peeing in it, so I just top it off every morning with my urine.
Just fill it up a little bit.
Yeah, just fill it up a little bit, top them off, you know?
I'm watching Workhorse, by the way. WKHS.
We were looking at that.
I mean, bro, they don't even move anymore. They just lay there on their sides. It's weird.
Bottom.
They're just floating there. I don't know. Seems like they're really healthy.
LHDX and TV basically.
Freaking house is like a zoo because I got 2 dogs, 2 cats, and my daughter has her lizard here.
What kind of lizard?
A leopard gecko.
much difference in processed food is that, Tim?
He's called.
Just,
Lower carbs, same amount of formaldehyde.
that's just processed food with less carbs.
I always question those things. Like, I eat a lot of those things, don't get me wrong. I always wonder if people go, oh, I'm healthier, I'm eating processed food, but it's low carb and low calorie. I guess it's better.
Oh, it's definitely better. It's definitely still just as much processed. You should know you're a
Better for
Stouffer's
your
boy.
belly, not so much better for your insides.
Yeah, I don't eat any of that low carb fat because if I'm gonna eat shit food, it's gonna taste good.
The only reason it's low carb is, and the only reason they're saying that is because it's cauliflower. That's literally the only reason.
Instead of flour.
Is it? Oh, it is. I didn't read that part. So they're trying to do the whole tattooed chef thing.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, reading the ingredients, it's actually not horrible. I mean, it's not great, obviously. But again, it's meant to be a filler meal. It's not, it's just like sitting here. It's a lot easier to do that than get up and make that thing I made last week when Thomas recommended it. I mean, granted, don't get me wrong. I plan on making that again several times, but it's just a lot easier to throw something like this in and it's done in 7 minutes. Doesn't require any attention.
Lazy.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, I get stacks of these things. It's a sweet and sour chicken. It's 4 minutes in the microwave. That's it.
That sounds yummy. Sweet and sour.
It's actually
Never
pretty
mind.
good for frozen food. It's only like they usually have 'em on sale.
Let me show you like my favorite frozen food ever. Hold on.
Stouffer's, I eat
9.30-ish
I used to love their
LHDX if
French
you
bread
got them.
pizza, but now they stopped putting cheese on it.
What?
It's they like put like 2 pieces of mozzarella on there anymore.
Dude, I remember those Stouffer's French bread pizzas. Those were bomb.
Yeah, I used to eat the shit out of those things, and then over the last couple of years, there's like almost no cheese on it. It's like just all bread with some sauce on it.
I haven't eaten them since I was like a kid because I'm an adult now. I mean, DT. Jesus, there ain't nothing going on, dude.
Wait, is this the same Schwann's?
Got more offensive.
Where is the Schwann's that rides around with their frozen foods?
I haven't seen that guy in
They closed down.
Did they? Like, seriously?
I heard something about that. I don't know who I was. It was somebody up your way I was talking to about. They mentioned that company, and I want to say they said they closed down.
Company you're talking about? Who would drive around with frozen
Schwann's?
food?
It was Schwann's.
I haven't seen it in a long time here in New Mexico.
I feel like I saw one not that long ago. But when I search Schwann's now, their website is like they went full on like meal prep, like meal like those other sites like Fit Fresh or not Fit Fresh, Fresh, whatever they're called. All the ones that like
Ready-made
send you the
meals.
meals. Yeah.
Gotta cook them or heat them up or whatever.
I don't think I remember seeing one of those. I remember the Swan's ice cream trucks.
No, this was like a Schwann's truck. It was like an ice cream truck, but they had like frozen foods.
No.
Yeah,
it's
here-
the ones Here, I'll show you the picture one time. I used to see.
That's what it was. Here, let me Google image actually.
That's the trucks I remember.
Yep.
I mean, they kind of look like that, but they weren't ice cream trucks. Here, hold on.
That's what I was just about to post. Same one DT posted.
Yeah, that's the only ones I remember. Yeah, I ain't seen those. Just don't pay attention.
Oh, this was a different one, but I do remember the separate.
That's it. That's the one I'm talking about.
The one I just posted.
Yeah, that's what I said. It looks just like that, but it wasn't an ice cream truck. It was a food truck.
No, I remember that.
Yeah, I don't think many people do that stuff anymore. It's like they just deliver it now, like through the mail, whatever. It's like those meat.
Yeah, there's a Pinterest, like that's them. Like that's what they look like. Now I'm trying to find a picture.
Take a quick breakity break. It's 8:20. You guys in a minute.
Yep. Well, now I'm sad because I kept saying for a long time, I was like, you know what, I'm just going to get them. And I never got them. And now I can't get them. I like grew up on these. Believe it or not, these were actually the healthier version of me eating, because growing up, I'm pretty sure I've told you guys this before, like my mom would buy the breaded chicken fingers and I would come home from school, like not that long after eating lunch at school, and I'd be throwing 6 of those breaded chicken fingers in the deep fryer every day. It was just crazy. That was my after school snack, and then they would come home and cook dinner. It was so bad.
Pretty FN close.
Look at you now.
I say it all the time. If it wasn't for sports, I'd probably be on that I'm 1,000 pounds, what do I do show.
Cut a hole in the wall.
Yeah. How do you get through the doorway? I don't.
BRPX dang. HTV sad face.
BRPX, if you got them, it's about to halt. We have none.
Freaking Hulk Fest today, huh?
That's a lot of cheaper stocks. My mom just got some pretty bad news. Her house that she had sold, apparently the people, their financing didn't go through. Ouchie.
Ouch. That sucks. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's what I told her. I was like, I am so sorry, Mom. That sucks.
Yeah, it's hard to watch that. My mom selling her house was difficult. It's a very specific type house. She ended up getting lowballed, and to this day I still feel bad.
think the biggest thing that sucks for her is I think when she sold, she got a price that she probably shouldn't have got anyway, but it did appraise for that. And I don't think she's going to get near that now. I think the market kind of is in a pullback at the moment. So I think she's going to be a little dismayed.
Everything's too expensive. People don't want to pay it.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I think it's to the point now where people are starting to be like, all right, enough's enough kind of thing. Like, I don't know. I guess we'll find out.
Yeah. And they're also looking at raising interest rates, which makes it bad too.
Yep.
Guess we'll find out on Wednesday.
That's what I was just gonna say. I wonder if that's gonna be the big news.
Well, there's rumors going around.
It's probably gonna be a high inflation number and interest rate increase.
Sounds like I'm going to get ready to add some money.
I wonder if they start low or if they just jump to like 2% or something.
Yeah, it's like, how do we tell these peasants? Do we tell them all at once, rip the Band-Aid off, or?
That's exactly my thoughts.
ASA
Aren't
and
they
up.
already having a hard time selling their bonds? Debt bonds or whatever.
Wouldn't surprise me. No incentive.
Yeah.
Isn't there supposed to be news about Citadel 2 and all the bad shit they did with AMC?
Like what kind of news?
All that naked short selling they were doing. I don't know, I'll have to look up the article.
I just wonder if the inflation number is like really stupid high and they're gonna drop a bomb.
Near 77 ideal. Will start
Pretty clear they
75.50
underreport
plus.
Well, it's just the whole thing of them saying, no, there's no inflation, it'll go back down. And it just keeps
Man.
going up. No.
If anybody wants to watch something while they're eating popcorn or whatever, BRPX.
Just hope that we don't have any.
Again.
Do you have shorts on that, Tim?
I've got
Ugh.
6 cents a share.
It's not too bad, is it?
60 cents every 100. Or wait, that's $6.
Yeah.
Or hot.
Well, love to take another trade here, but I should probably be thankful.
Well, CLF is that high today? No.
Yeah, there's not much going on.
All right, guys. Catch you in the morning. Good luck.
Later, Colin.
You just call him
Column, colon, anything but Colin.
C-Dog.
Later, that's what we should do tomorrow. We should all come up with a different name.
every week, yeah.
To see how long it takes for him to say something.
The SPY is at all-time highs.
Yeah, it is. propping it up so when they give the bad news, it won't drop as far.
Yeah.
You know damn right well there's somewhere, there's a room where these people, like, what should make the market do today?
Yep.
HDSN up.
Looks like our PX is going to go be higher, 577, 580.
When I go to print something, it gives me option 3D print. I don't think my 2D printer is going to 3D print.
597, $6.
So the whole reason I was looking at your YouTube today is because I signed up for TraderSync, TradingSync,
Yeah.
and I couldn't remember the option for the management.
Like, what do you mean?
The management, when you do reports management,
Yeah.
and it goes to graph, or not really graph, but the line chart.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I imported all my Webull charts, and I was like, got to see them on TradingView, and I was like, holy crap, why did I do that trade? Imagine going back and look at your trades from back in the beginning, and you're just like, what the fuck?
I have. And that's exactly what I said.
Yeah. And then there's the best one was Piton, because
Was there a question in there somewhere? Or did you figure it out?
me?
Yeah.
Why does the world spin?
No, there's no real question. I don't have management because I didn't sign up for the elite.
10 seconds on
Uh.
VRPX telephone.
How's Dipbot doing today?
I don't know.
We're done with that?
It's inactive.
It's, yeah, because you have to pay to be in it now, so.
Oh, that's
Or we should all sign up for 1 week of free. 1 week trial. We keep it going for like 2 months. Which stock was halted?
VRPX. Victor Romeo Papa Zila.
Well, I was telling Devin early this morning. So somebody asked Eric Green, you know, who he should watch to, you know, pick up tips and stuff like that. So he gave his top 3. So Investors Underground was number 1. Ross was 2, and he's 3.
Oh my god.
For educational information.
Started off good.
Yeah, he started off with a good one, and then he slowly trended down to blowing up.
No, Tim, that was more of a comment of, even though I know I'm still new, but watching your beginning, looking at your beginning trades, how come they kind of are.
Yeah, no. Like, I tell people that all the time. Like, use that shit as inspiration. Like, do I appear to be anything like that person anymore to you? the person that was trading at the very beginning of the YouTube channel.
Mayo 77.50 on point.
I don't watch it all the way through. I skim through it, so I don't know what your personality would be.
75.50.
Yeah, I mean, back then I only really did the trades themselves. So like, if you ever do go back and watch them, it's just the trades. But yeah, you'll notice a difference, like just in the mentality of everything.
Yeah, like when you used to trade bull flags.
That was literally the first video. I don't think I did it on another video ever again.
What are contract trades? That's
Options? Question mark?
I don't know. I'm asking you. You're the one that says your win rate on contract trades is high.
Contract trades?
I believe that's what you referred to.
When? Where?
How? Why?
I don't remember that. The only thing that I can think of that are contracts are options, and I've never traded options.
Let's look. Wrong video. Just says contract winners.
Where? Like, what am I referring to? I've
TraderSync, it would be a setup. You have bull flags, news hype, green to red.
Oh, that's the demo. They gave me a demo, so that's for that. So it probably is options. That's not my trades.
Fake trader.
Well, I asked them for a demo because they use all the features, where on mine I was only using probably 10% of what they offer. So for the video purpose, I was just trying to be able and show everybody like what it does.
I gotcha.
PBTS. It's on SSR, 8 mil float, off the bottom on the daily.
No shorts here.
Which one?
PBTS.
It says SSR.
Yeah. Kind of volume out of nowhere as well.
One.
Why is your
PBTS.
stream so far behind? Do you keep it that far?
It's not on purpose.
Water filled.
It does that sometimes. You might want to refresh because it's not far behind. It's usually off by what, 5 seconds? 10 seconds.
PBTS.
What stock were you talking about, Tim?
PBTS. Papa Bravo Tango Sandy Sally Sandra.
Shorts, SSR.
Don't be so
Welcome
bitter
to
about it.
1 minute ago.
Gotta be bitter about it, Jag.
Tim is in it.
It's only $1. Why'd you even call that crap out?
Aaron.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah,
Save
for
the
real.
Crap for your other freaking real. You get anything, Jag?
An automatic
Nope.
pay.
What happened to that BTBT? Not a lot of.
Went down, came up a little bit, but not really anything worthwhile.
Man, I don't know what to really watch today, man. One of those days. I just changed my address, so that's cool.
Order filled.
All out PBTS.
$. Like a champ.
Something, I guess.
Time thinking 2.40s.
So did you have to quit vaping before you moved in?
Rotated, so keep it in mind. HDSN orders near X.20.
My big old thing I bought for the wall behind my head in the stream is just shipped today. I'm pretty excited.
When's
I
it
think
gonna
it's
have it?
huge.
Couple days?
Yeah, it says by the 29th. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Did I ever show you guys what it was? I don't think I did.
It's not one of them freaking wall sticker things of you dressed in your baseball outfit, huh?
I was gonna say it's a picture of you.
Why would it not be a picture of me?
Good thing I started putting sticky notes on my desk. The right way to put one.
So this is the best picture of it, but it has a black frame around it. But it doesn't need a frame in this picture because of the wall color, but so the bottom picture is what it'll actually look like on my wall, but the top picture was just a better one for you to like see it and read it and all that. It's pretty big. It's like in both of these pictures. Well, I guess the one above the couch, I think it's that size, like the one above the couch. The one on the bottom looks a lot smaller.
I like how they did the wall on top of it.
Yeah, right? It's like textured like that. I wouldn't know how to do that. It looks too fancy.
Probably wallpaper.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Well, that's probably Photoshop, but
Well, that's true too.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
but yeah, you do that with plaster,
Yeah.
actual plaster, not mud plaster.
But it's a 48 by 32. So, it's pretty big. It'll definitely take up the wall, which I'm pretty excited about.
Took me a minute there. I was eating and looking at the picture. Those are charts in there, aren't there?
Mm-hmm.
I was like, why is the lightning curved? And I was like, oh wait, those are charts.
Yeah, when I saw that, like it's such a good saying. Like I was actually looking for a different saying, which it's definitely not in the same realm, but it is very much like in this like the same idea. But when I saw this one and the picture with the charts inside, I was like, oh hell yeah, it's I mean it's so true. I am doing my best to spell the word "furiating," and I am just failing. Infuriated. F-R-U. I am. No, is it F-U-R? I am furiated. F-U-R-I. Yeah. Huh? So I did spell it right. I just didn't look right. Wait, why is it saying it's spelled wrong? Is that not a real word? So I just Googled it, and it was spelled how I thought it was spelled, but when I type it into Google, it's saying it's wrong. But so confused.
Is it like F-U-T-A-R-I-N-G or something?
Furiating, which is how I spelt it at first, and it said it was wrong. That's why I was trying to. That's why I went and Googled it, and it said it was right when I Googled it. But now, when you type it in, the word check is saying it's wrong.
Get stupid, yo.
Whatever. I'm pretty positive that's how it's spelled.
LOL.
So screw the spell check.
Pretty smart. Sell my car and buy spy leaps. What's the latest with the Delta variant? Doesn't House speak tomorrow? Tomorrow or Wednesday? Nice. Very smart. I'm hoping maybe, you know, in the future when I get older, like I'll have that opportunity. Like I don't have much of a savings right now. What the heck is this?
How much
That's
money
shaky.
do they?
I'm not sure why. Barbecue at least by 7. I was supposed to start at 6 today, but I ended up just messing around, didn't start till 7. But normally I'm up trading at 6. Well, Central Time. I do like to watch the pre-market. There's not always opportunity, but when there is, it's
MITQYPO,
normally pretty good.
40 KTV, Perky LOL,
I wonder if
not
Neuro
on scanner.
is gonna break this support. Watch it like bounce and like run to new highs. I'm not saying that it will, and I'm not trading it.
Also halted LOL.
But it could happen. So it's your fault. I don't know anything about this stock. $3. Are they just...
Up, girls.
They're offering closed.
You're saying it hasn't gotten busy?
Is this just
If it
moving
has, I
to
missed
move?
You missed the
I
busy?
think it is.
Yeah.
That's unfortunate.
Nice. Well, part of Florida are you from? Are you like on the east or the west? East or west. Wow. Bye, Hogan. Yeah, it's almost lunchtime for me too. Thank you for hanging out. And thank you to New York. It's been really nice chatting with you guys. I'm glad you guys came back to see me. I really, really am. Halted at 10:56, 36. Yeah, I'm probably not too far away from much. And I need to take my dogs out. I kind of rushed them on their morning walk.
How'd you find out about it?
What you doing, Neuro?
Is there anything even worth looking at?
MITQ if you want to get frisky.
Maybe it's just
I actually got shorts on that.
what do we want to put over here?
Alpha doesn't even have an imbalance.
You don't want to get that frisky, bro.
Feel a little frisky.
The girl GDT rated on Twitch.
Not up with the NFTs.
Heck no, I'm not trading this. Good luck if y'all do.
Yeah, I had him
Couldn't
muted,
tell
but
in
for
this
some
zone.
reason when he rated her, it unmuted.
Chop it along.
Nothing there for me, man.
Nice shelving.
Jeez. This one's almost tempting. I think
Should be
WT
on halting now.
really
Yeah,
low.
any second.
It's stuck.
MITQ.
Time is moving. Time's on the
That's a halted.
interesting.
I didn't dig that.
Me either.
I feel like this is gonna get shorted heavy off of $2.
Yeah, I'm not anything volume out of nowhere. I have no idea what the float is. I didn't check. And shares are about to run out.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh,
And it's been
I
on
missed,
the market for like a week and
I
a
missed
half.
it coming out of the hall.
Yep. Well,
Going
longer,
good. Huh?
longer than that. 2 weeks.
Might be 2 weeks.
That's a lot better.
One day under 2 weeks. This is his 13th day of trading.
Oh.
I don't even know why we got shorts on it. That's crazy.
Yeah.
She just accidentally got into a trade.
Why have this? She can do whatever she wants, bro. I don't care.
I guess they overvalued it, huh? They brought it out.
Yeah.
I guess.
It was up at 27.50
I gotta
on day
quit doing
one.
that. Dang, Neuro broke that support. Watch out.
Hey, market is a wiener today, huh?
Okay, guys.
I'm waiting
I
for
think it might be
Southwest
lunch
Gas
time
to
for
call me
me.
so I can tell them cancel my
Things
service.
slow down. I'm still gonna like look at the charts and stuff.
Tried to do it online and it says sure.
I'll do
account is
better at
ineligible for shut
updating
off.
Discord and everything like when I do make trades.
I do not know why.
I need to start putting my watch.
Spy might break 441. World's gone crazy.
Crazy Jag. Price going to all-time highs?
Already is.
Price going to all-time highs. There's no opportunity.
Yeah, something seems off.
Cool. I gotta build you August 10th. There's probably gonna be something I'm gonna have to pay in the meantime, huh?
Yeah.
By this last month. I guess I'll just pay this later and figure out the bills, shut them all down. People I gotta call down. Maybe make sure my pool company knows Thursday will be the last day. Alright, almost done. Jeez, man, I'm so sick of these slow days, bro. It's just... Honestly, I mean, I could have made money off of Riot if I would have kept that one up. Kind of gave a setup towards the bottom. About 945. Broke down below his pre-market lows, got back above them.
Yeah. Had that big jump.
Could have been a nice $1.50 win or so. No way I would have held it through all this mess, but I would have got out and then came back and retested those highs again. 33 bucks basically. Gotta keep those ones on watch, man. Trying to get in the habit of keeping things that have the potential. Cause you know that thing's in that big moves.
I don't like Riot.
Has it gotten you?
Yeah.
Get it.
It was not.
Anytime something gets you, you kind of hate it.
Yeah. That's how I make money.
Why Vesh loves Snap. Is Thomas even traded today?
I took one. I think it was BTBT.
BTBT.
Yeah, BTBT in that first, what, 4 minutes of the market open.
Yeah, I see ya. I found it. This is how bored I am. I'm looking at our trades to see what everybody did. And it was kind of a crappy move too, man. That's been every move I got today, like a little bit here, a little bit there. My dogs are gonna get poisoned. Be right back.
Well, my TQ would have been a nice short.
Yeah, I just didn't trust it, dude. We had shorts, but only like 16K.
Yeah, I didn't trust, back I didn't really like the way it was moving either. That's a good move. That's a $1 move down? Basically straight down.
Go time, go. Go time, go.
Is it gonna break out or not?
Nope.
Guess they're not curing cancer today.
No. Or they did, nobody cares.
Oh, there you go, man. Get it. Oh. Oh, right. Oh, we're good. Back wall. For me to know. I bumped that. I got the defense, guys. Don't worry about it. Yo, Sim's nice, eh? Don't worry about it.
Ooh!
Ah, I got it.
My mom had me at 17. Wow.
Okay, they think they have a chance. We're trying to make them feel like they got a chance.
And the
But they really
baby.
don't. Yeah, they don't have.
Have to pee, chat. You're only as old as you feel. Is that true?
It's all you on the kickoff. It's all you.
Surprised my other light is still on. That thing usually goes off around 11:30. Did I miss more?
Look at all those $2 orders.
I did. I missed the 23rd.
And they were all full.
Was that what I ended up with? Now I need to check. Let's see, 723. 1, 2, 3 trades. All right.
ASAN out all backslash.
I'll be back. I'm going to grab some
WKHS
lunch.
dollar on way.
Good luck.
Later, man.
Uhu. At B1. Time still thinking 2.40-2.5 PLS. All right, chat. I think I am going to go Discord only. I going to get my first dose of the vaccine here in about 2 hours. So actually a little less than 2 hours. It's at 2. And I want to get my video done and everything beforehand. So if you want to come hang out with us in the Discord. And if not, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.